here we go. Oh, my screen's frozen. All right, here we go. So it says find the product of 657 and 506 using standard algorithm. This is just plain old math. So we have 657 times 506. All right, here we go. Start with just multiplying 657 by 6. So 7 times 6 is 42, carry my 4. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4 is 34, carry my 3. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 is 39. Your first partial product should be 3,942. I'm going to cross these numbers out to note to myself that I have already used them. I'm going to go ahead and look at this and know that my whole partial product is just going to be zeros because anything times itself is just 0. Now, our second partial product, I started with 1 0 already right there. So now I'm going to start my third partial product with 2 placeholders. Now we're doing 657 times 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry my 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 3 more is 28. Carry my 2. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. So there's my third partial product. 328,500. And now we add. So I've got 2, 4, 9 and 5 is 14. Carry my 1. 8 plus 3 is, 12. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So I have 332,442. And we keep moving. All right. So this one has a lot of parts. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this one has a lot of parts here. For a field trip, the school bought 57 sandwiches for $3.60 each and 49 bags of chips for $1.15 each. How much does the school spend in all? So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to find the total for sandwiches. And then we're going to need to find the total for bags of chips. Once we find that total, we're going to add those guys together to find out how much they spent in all. So first thing we're going to do is find our sandwiches. So we've got $3.60 times 57. So here we go. 0 times 7 is 0. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry my 4. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 4 is 25. Second partial product, starting with a placeholder. 5 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry my 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 3 more is 18. So I have 18,000 as my second partial product. We add. All right, so there is my product there, but we are not done yet. We have decimals in our problem. I see 1, 2 numbers behind my decimal place, so I need to make my answer match. So 4 sandwiches, they spent $205.20. So now we need to find out how much they spent on chips. So it was $1.15 per bag for 49 bags. And now we multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry my 4. 1 times 9 is 9. Plus 4 more is 13. 1 times 9 is 9. Plus 1 more is 11. Wait, plus 1 more is 10. Sorry, not 11. Duh. Okay, 10. Start my second partial product with a 0. Cross those numbers out to know I've already used them. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry my 2. 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 2 more is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. So there's my second partial product, 4,600. And now we add. So we have 5, 3, 6, 5. There are 1, 2 numbers in my problem. So there are 1, 2 in my answer. So this is for chips. So they spent $56.35 on chips. Now, to find out how much they spent all together, we have to add those 2 numbers together now. So we've got 205 and 20 cents. We got to line up our decimals because we're adding $56.35. And now we add. Bring down your decimal first. So we have 5, 11, 6, and 2. So in all, they spent $261.55. All right, number 6. Write an expression that matches the statement. The sum of 15 and 9 subtracted from 89. I see the solution word of sum, so I already know in parentheses I need 15 minus 9. Oh, plus 9, sorry. Whoop. 15 plus 9, because that is the sum of 15 and 9. Now read the sentence back to yourself. The sum of 15 and 9 subtracted from 89. That means you're taking it away from 89. So I start with 89, take away 15 plus 9. It is not 15 plus 9 minus 89. That would give you a negative number, first of all. But second of all, it's you're taking the sum from 89. So it's 89 minus the sum. All right, number 7. Which two conversions are correct? 18 meters equals 18 hundredths of a centimeter. 18 meters actually equals 1,800 centimeters. So that one won't work. 4.5 meters equals 4,500 centimeters. 4.5 meters actually equals 450 centimeters. So that one won't work. You're multiplying by 100 on both of those. All right, 1,800 millimeters equals 18 meters. 1,800 millimeters actually equals 1.8 meters. So that won't work. All right, so then 25 kilometers equals 25,000 meters. That works. And 200 centimeters equals 2 meters. That also works. All right, number 8. What would be a reasonable estimate for 507 times 42? 507 is about 500. 42 is about 40. 5 times 4 is 20, and then there's 3 more zeros. So your estimate would be 20,000. You don't even have to multiply that, just estimate. All right, number 9, write an expression that correctly shows the difference of 19 12s and 17 12s. So remember, we're in unit form again. This is 19 groups of 12 and 17 groups of 12. So I've got 19 times 12 in parentheses, and I've got 17 times 12 also in parentheses. So we're showing the difference here, and the difference means that we have to subtract. So it's 19 times 12 minus 17 times 12. And we don't have to solve, it just wants an expression. And the last one, what is the product of 634 and 49? That means that we have to multiply. So here we go. Doing 634 times 9 first. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry my 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 3 more is 30. Carry my 3. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 3 more is 57. Cross those out to know I've used them. Time to start my second partial product with a 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry my 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. Carry my other 1. And 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 more is 25. So there's our 2 partial products, and now we add. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry my 1. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 1 more is 11. And 3. So we have 31,066 is your product. If you got different answers than I did on these multiplication ones, you probably need to check your partial products first and see what you got different from mine. So, on that note, we are done. Go ahead and watch your notes if you haven't already.